guys, it's snowing.
We're gonna have to figure out the foam boards for this skirting. The planks are 8 foot by 4 foot, so they're not gonna fit in here. So Duda's gonna let us borrow his truck today. And this will slide right in. Pretty secure. I think I'll be okay. It's about 35 degrees out and I am having second thoughts on the shorts. I got 5. I'm hoping it's going to be enough. I still have the old sink. If you're looking for a sink for your RV, let me know, I've got one. And a bathroom sink. Bye, honey. I'm a toe. I'm just kidding. I love you.
I love you.
Bye. You guys, you can have fun without me.
What about if you got hot cocoa with mini marshmallows, with whipped cream, sprinkles, chocolate chips? Wait, one more thing. A cherry on top?
Do you think that it's too early to start watching Christmas movies? Because I'd like to watch them when we get back.
What? Yeah, but let's do the Hollow first.
So you're saying don't skip fall, don't skip Thanksgiving.
I think we should watch a Christmas movie after.
Me too.
What?
These boards are 1.5 inch thick foam and they are 8 foot by 4 foot. And the height of the RV, like here, is just over 2 feet. So I should be able to cut these in half, long ways. Plan is to use this to do it in half, but not sure if it's going to cut all the way through. Obviously it's not 1.5 inches thick, so hopefully I can score it and bend it. Oh, I'm just tight. I'm not as flexible as I used to be. Way better than I thought it would be. Straight down the middle, nice easy cut. I imagine it'll probably be okay taping to here. This is starting to look like something. I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go on top because it's gonna be too much hassle getting underneath, and you have to climb underneath and tape it underneath, and it's not gonna stick properly underneath. So I'm gonna go over top and make sure it's sealed. It's like a game of Tetris because you have these little parts that are taller in some areas and shorter, and so you're trying to like all these things to think about. I don't spend any time thinking about them, I just do it. I'm a doer. And then I have a bunch of problems that I have to figure out because I didn't think about it. This over here looks alright. See, look at this. It is nice and flush. Like, this is what it's going to look like. The tape makes it look very pretty. So, obviously this is loosely taped right now. I haven't taped this one completely. This is going to give me a headache, I'm sure. And then we start through the back end. Oh man, I got a lot to do. Underneath the stairs. I think I'm going to just try and tack it underneath the stairs right now. I feel like a right plonker. Morgan always tells me that. Preparation saves perspiration, and I just feel like I can hear her saying that now. It's freezing cold out here, and I feel like I'm gonna be out here all night just shivering. As you can see, the sun went down pretty quick, and I'm not done, so that's fun. I wanted to read you this piece because it looks so shoddy, and I've only got 2 pieces left and this, so not sure I'm going to make it happen. We'll find out. This is the first time I've seen it this morning. Doesn't look too shabby. And back to Home Depot we go. Got the extra foam boards from Home Depot, so now I've got to finish it up strong. I'm going to start with the stairs, I think. These are the back of the stairs, so I want to cover from here down to the ground. And I'm going to build some side pieces that come out to the front here. It's a nice snug fit, and then we can just tape the sides here. It looks backwards, but it's actually facing out on that side and that side. So the stairs is done. If you too are thinking that I want to save some money and do my own RV skirting from some foam board, just know it is very messy. Just flying around everywhere. One of the pieces is pushing out from on the inside, so now I'm gonna army man crawl underneath here. There's the culprit. Not perfect, but better. The easiest thing to do is just to kind of roll back out the RV. Oh! I'm thinking I might just try and tape the piece to here, then fill in the top here. This is the update. We are on the tail end. It's pretty gone tonight. I have no feeling in my hands at all. It's that cold. So that's good. So if I stab myself with the utility knife, it's not gonna feel it. I'm not gonna feel it. All the boards are up and taped, but there's still a bit more taping to do. Like you can see, there's a few gaps. So this was the trickiest part for me, was the back. I just didn't know how to handle it with the wheel on the back and the bar on the back that was attached, like arms on the back. It was very confusing, and did my best, but I got to tape some more up there on the back. And then obviously this needs more tape too, but for the most part I'm gonna have to put like a 2x4 down in the back corner. For the most part it's sealed in pretty well, I think. We'll see. Do I recommend doing this? It's a pain in the butt. Doing it was an absolute pain in the butt, and I don't want to do it again. I don't think this is a sustainable thing to do on the road when you're traveling like every week or two moving. It's just going to be absolute hassle to put up and tear down each time. If you're traveling as much as we are and as often as we are, I think you should probably invest in the skirting that you have to like put on with like the pop rivets, the poppers on the side that hangs down. Probably a better option. More expensive option, but probably the better option.
Did you open this?
No.
Did we drive all the way here like that?
But my family disappeared. Wait, my family disappeared?